In this video, we will solve a question. The question is, draw Bohr's model for the following atoms indicating the location for electrons, protons and neutrons. We are given carbon atom. Carbon with atomic number 6 and mass number 12. We know what is meant by atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons which are present in the nucleus of an atom. If atomic number of carbon is 6, it means carbon has 6 protons inside the nucleus. Here we write 6 protons inside the nucleus. We are given an atom of carbon. And we know atom is a neutral particle. If protons are 6, which are positively charged particles, then electrons must also be 6. Since in an atom, number of protons are equal to the number of electrons. So electrons are also 6. Now we will write the number of electrons which are present in the carbon atom. 2 electrons are present in the K shell. So the first energy level or the first shell is the K shell. 2 electrons are present here. We write here 2 electrons, and remaining 4 electrons are present in the second energy level or in the second shell. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we write 4 electrons in the second energy level. Now we know how many electrons are present in the carbon. In the carbon, number of electrons are 6, and number of protons are also 6. Then how can we calculate the number of neutrons? To calculate the number of neutrons, we use the formula A minus Z. We know what is A. A is the mass number, while Z is the atomic number. So to calculate the number of neutron, we use the formula A minus Z. That is mass number minus atomic number. It is equal to, what is the mass number of carbon? 12. Atomic number of carbon? 6. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So how many neutrons are present in carbon? Obviously, there are 6 neutrons which are present in the carbon atom. And what is the position of neutrons? Neutrons are present along with protons inside the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have 2 particles, protons as well as neutrons. I hope this is clear to you. Now we will see the next atom which is given to us. The next atom is chlorine. Chlorine atom is given to us with atomic number 17 and mass number 35. And we are asked to find the number of protons, electrons as well as neutrons and write their location inside chlorine atoms. Now here, what is the atomic number of chlorine? Atomic number of chlorine is 17. It means there are 17 protons in the atom of chlorine. We know, students, protons are present inside the nucleus. So here we write 17 protons inside the nucleus. In the nucleus, there are 17 protons. Similarly, number of electrons are also 17. So here we will write the number of electrons in the chlorine atom. We write the number of electrons. 2 electrons are present in the first shell, that is the first energy level or the K shell. There are 2 electrons. So we write here 2 electrons. In the second energy level, we have 8 electrons. So we write here 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many electrons are left? Yes, 7 electrons are left. These 7 electrons are present in the third energy level or the third shell. Now we write the 7 electrons in the third energy level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we write the position of electrons inside the chlorine atoms in different energy levels or different shells. Now here we notice the total number of electrons in chlorine atoms. Number of electrons are, how many electrons are there? 17. Similarly, number of protons, we know if atomic number is 17, then it must has 17 protons which are present inside the nucleus. Number of neutrons, we are asked to calculate number of neutrons. Mass number is given to us. What is the mass number of chlorine? Yes, its mass number is 35. In order to calculate number of neutrons, we use the formula A minus Z, where A is the mass number while Z is the atomic number. What is the value of mass number here? The mass number is 35 and the value of Z, that is atomic number, is 17. By subtracting 17 from 35, we get the answer, that is 18. It means how many neutrons are present in chlorine? There are 18 neutrons. And what is the position of neutrons? Neutrons are present inside the nucleus along with proton. Protons and neutrons, they are present inside the nucleus, while electrons are present in different energy levels or shells. I hope this question is clear to you.